안녕하세요 여러분. I am Ahmad. Today our class is about Thitki and Ilki of chapter number 10. So let's start. There is a question number 1. Thom next ne yung content gwa with khwange isnan is relation kharim picture khoro shipshu select. There is Dongchon Imnida. Dongchon is coin, so our answer is at number 3. Question number 2. Tham next. Thano word wa with Khwange isnan relation. Causal object Moat Imnika what is? Talgi is strawberry. Talgi is a quail. So our answer is at number 2. Question number 3. Thom next. Chung between Mitchell underline Chin bubun the part majnan better munjang sentence khoro shipshio select. Number 1 sangja is box aju very mugop os soyo. This is wrong because mugo was soyo. Number 2 dong sing a khabang bag of my younger brother. Ye poyo yep oyo. This is wrong because correct is ye poyo. Number 3 onal today nal shiga weather chongmal is really top oyo. This is wrong because correct is thovoyo. Number 4 hanguk umshik Korean food chal better manduneo you can make. So this is our correct answer. Question number 4 Thom next kal is content ilk go read and neyongwa with the content better causal object khoroshipsho select. Now this is a promotion brochure of Hana Mart. This is a mart. Harin is sale. Hangsa is event. Now this event is starting from Kuval September. Ship EL 12 date Butho from Ship Oil date 15 Kaji till Some Il Dongan 3 days sale. So there are some things like Kola is now 2900 won and Podo Han Sangja 1 box of Podo is now 12900. Huji is now in Manwon. Now let's see our answer. Huge Harin Hamnida. There is no sale on Huji tissue papers. This is wrong because you can see the sale is also available on tissue papers. Number 2 Kuvol Ship Il Kaji Sage Phamnida. They are selling products only till 12th of September. So this is wrong because 12 date is starting date, not ending date. Number 3 Podo Han Sangja 1 box of grapes. Man Chilchon Kubeg Won Imnida. This is wrong because you can see that is old price. New price is this one. So number 4 Khola Hanbyong 1 bottle. Samyon, if you buy Hanbyong 1 bottle, to more chumnida they give you. This is our answer because on cola 1 plus 1 sale. This is our answer. Question number 5. Thom next. Kul is paragraph. Il go read. Neyongwa. Neyong is content with content. Khatan got is similar object. Khoroshipsho select. Chegan these days Hanguke in Korea. Mu in Pan me chom. This is online stores. Nilgo is some nida increasing. These days in Korea online stores are increasing. Mu in Pan me chom. Online stores. Chikwon workers and staff. Opko don't have. Buthong usually. Khogek customer, Wonhan wanted, Sangphom products, Sontek select, Chickjob direct, Kyolje payment, Pangshik method, Euro, Unyong Thim Nida is operate. So these online stores have no staff members. Customers can select their products and can payment with this online method. Thiebubun almost Sumalne Shigan. 24 hours. 온영 되고 있어요. They are operating 24 hours. 언제든지, anytime. 이용할 수 있습니다. You can use these online stores. 또한 more about 한국어 Korean language. 잘 better 못해 cannot do. 판매 simple 하게 with simply 물건 products 살 수 있습니다. If you not familiar with Korean language, you can just simply buy from these stores. Now go to our answers. 무인 판매점, online stores. 수가 the numbers of online stores. 촘촘출로 is slowly decreasing. 있습니다. They are not decreasing. They are increasing. 늘고 있습니다. Not 줄고 있습니다. Number 2, 무인 판매점, online stores. 직원, staff members. 계산 is for the payment. 도와 help 줍니다. The staff of these online stores help in payment method. This is wrong because these online stores don't have staff. Number 3, 판매도 at night time. 무인 판매점 from online stores. 물건 products 살 수 있습니다. You can buy. This is our answer. 무인 판매점, 외국인들 is foreigners. 이용, use, 불변 is difficult, 합니다. So there is difficult to buy for a foreigner. This is wrong. So let's go to our 듣기.
1번. 다음을 빈칸에 알맞은 것을 고르십시오.
다음 next 듣고 listen 빈칸에 in the blanks 알맞은 better causal object 고르십시오 select.
수박,
There is su and there is bak. So our complete word is subak. Answer number 2.
2번. 다음을 듣고 들은 내용과 관계 있는 그림을 고르십시오.
다음 next 듣고 listen 들은 내용과 listening object 관계 있는 relation 그림 picture 고르십시오 select.
운동화가 얼마예요?
What is the price of these sneakers?
45,000원이에요.
45,000 won is 45,000 won. This is our answer.
3번. 두 사람은 무엇에 대해 말하고 있습니까?
Question number 3. 두 사람, two people. 뭐 대해 what about 말하고 있습니다. They are talking.
이 티셔츠는 5만 원이에요.
This t-shirt Oman won 50,000 won.
티셔츠가 비싸네요.
T-shirt가 비싸네요. 비싸 is expensive. This shirt is very expensive.
좀 깎아주세요.
좀 깎아주세요. Give me discount. So they are talking about the price. Our answer is 가격.
4번. 다음을 듣고 이어지는 말로 가장 알맞은 것을 고르십시오.
Question number 4. 다음 next 듣고 listen. EOG is continuous. 말 language. 가장 알맞은 the most better. causal object 고르십시오.
사장님, 이 바지 다른 색깔도 있어요?
사장님, 이 바지 this pant 다른 색 different color 있어요. Do you have?
1. 바지는 얼마예요?
Number 1. 바지는 얼마예요? What is the price of this pant?
2. 한 벌에 4만 원이에요.
한 벌. 벌 is counting unit for suiting. 한 벌, one suit, 사만 40,000 won a year. The price of one suit is 40,000 won.
3. 종이 가방에 좀 넣어주세요.
Chungi is paper, 가방 is bag, paper bag. 좀 please 넣어주세요. Give me.
4. 하얀색도 있는데 보여드릴까요?
Hyansak white color. Is Nande available? Poyo is show. Drill kayo. Can I show you? This is our answer.
5번. 여자는 여기에 왜 왔습니까?
Yojanan female yogiye here. Ve why vasamnika. Why she came here.
어서 오세요. 뭘 찾으세요?
어서오세요. Welcome. 뭘 찾으세요? What you are looking?
바지가 좀 커서 바꾸려고요.
바지가 좀 커서 the pant is little big. 바꾸려고요. I want to exchange. In number 1, 바지가 교환하려고요. She came here for exchanging the pant. So this is our answer. Number 2, 바지를 환불하려고요. She want to return. No, this is wrong. Number 3, 신발 교환하려고요. She came here to exchange shoes. This is wrong. 신발 환불하려고요. She want to return her shoes. This is also wrong. Thanks for watching.